Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. And students, in previous video we have discussed about real numbers and also we solved few problems on introduction of real numbers. Okay, and on division algorithm. So now children, we are going to solve few more problems on the same concept. Okay, so let's see problem number 3 in exercise 1.1. Okay, so use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. Okay, so we have to show any square of any positive integer should be in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1, means 3 multiple or 3 multiple plus 1. Okay, and children here, this question may be asked in this way also. Use Euclid division lemma to show the square of any positive integer is of the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. And children, it is very important for 4 marks. Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. So a is a positive integer. A is a positive integer. And b is equal to, children, here in whatever the form they are asking, just check the coefficient of variable 3p plus 1. Coefficient of p is what? 3. So whatever the coefficient of variables there, so that we have to take as b value. Okay, so b is equal to 3. Okay, now by division algorithm, by division algorithm, a is equal to bq plus r, so where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. So this is called division algorithm or Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so children, here, so a is equal to, we can write 3q plus r because b is equal to 3. And what are the possible reminders? 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 3. So possible reminders are, okay, possible reminders are 0 or 1. Children, here less than 3 is there, so we should not take 3. So 0, 1, 2. So now children, so there are totally 3 possible reminders are there. So with each reminder you have to take different cases. So 3 reminders are there, so we have to take 3 cases. So in case 1, r is equal to 0. Okay, in case 1, r is equal to 0. Then a is equal to what, children? 3q plus 0, that is equal to 3q. So what is the question? This should be in the form of, okay, so square of this positive integer should be in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Fine, children. So now a is equal to 3q. Now squaring on both sides. Okay, now squaring on both sides. So by squaring on both sides, what we will get, children? A square is equal to 3q whole square. Okay, a square is equal to 3q whole square. So a square is equal to 3q whole square value, 3q into 3q. 3 into 3 what? 9. And q square is there, so 9q square will come. So children, here you can write a square is equal to, you can take it as like 3 of 3q square. Okay, it's in the form of 3p. So where p is equal to 3q square. Okay, so where p is equal to, so here we have taken p now, so p is equal to 3q square. So children, here you can tell that, so it's in the form of, so square of this positive integer, that is nothing but we can write it as it's in the form of 3p. Okay, now, so now children, so now case 2. Okay, so case 2. So in case 2, take r value as 1. Okay, r is equal to 1. So then a is equal to what? 3q plus 1. Okay, now, so now squaring on both sides, I am writing short form, children. Squaring on both sides, we can write shortly swaps. Squaring on both sides. So by squaring on both sides, what we will get, children, here? A square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. And it's in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is the expansion of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So here I am writing that formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so children, so we can write it as a square is nothing but 3q whole square, 3q into 3q, 9q square, plus 2ab, 2 into 3q, 6q, 6q into 1 is 6q, plus b square is nothing but 1. So a square is equal. So children, this can be written as 9q square plus 6q is there, see amma. From these two terms, we can take 3 common, because 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So by using distributive property, we can take 3 common, right? So 3 of, so children, from first two terms only. So 3 of 3q square plus 2q, so close brackets, plus 1. So children, it is in the form of 3 into something plus 1, no? Yes or no? So they are asking that only square of positive integer should be in the form of 3p, either 3p or 3p plus 1. So 3 into something plus 1. So children, we can write it as 3p plus 1. Okay, 3p plus 1, where p is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Okay now, 3q square plus 2q. So children, we showed like it's in the form of a square is equal. It's in the form of 3p plus 1. Now children, let's see the last case. So what is that? Remainder is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. That's case 3. Okay now, case 3. So in case 3, you take remainder as 2, children. So a is equal to 3q plus 2. Squaring on both sides. So a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Okay now. So already we know the formula, a plus b whole square expansion. Use the same formula to expand this 3q plus 2 whole square. So a square is nothing but 3q plus whole square. So 3q plus whole square value 9q square. Okay now. So 9q square plus 2 into a into b. A is 3q, b is 2. So 2 into 3q into 2. 2 3s are 6. 6q into 2, 12q. So 9q square plus 12q plus 2 square value is 4, children. Now if you see 9q square plus 12q plus 4 is there, children. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 is there. So we can also write 4 as 3 plus 1, right? So write it as, that is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1, children. So from first 3 terms you can take 3 common. So a square is equal to 3 bracket of 3q square plus 4q plus 1 close brackets plus 1. So children, here what we got, a square is equal to 3 into something plus 1. Okay, 3p plus 1. So where p is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Okay, so children, it's the form of, it's the form of 3p plus 1. Okay now? So children, in this way we will solve this problem. Children, let's see problem number 4. Use division algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So children, they may ask question like use Euclidean lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, so children, here, so like previous problems, okay, let a is a positive integer, a is a positive integer and b is equal, here what is the multiple of m, children? 9, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So whatever the multiple of m, that we have to take as b. b is equal to 9. Now by divisions algorithm. By division algorithm, we can write A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. So remainder must be less than divisor. So here A is equal, B is equal to 9, 9Q plus R, 0 is less than or equal to R is less than 9. So children, so what are the possible reminders? What are the possible reminders? Possible reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not 9 children, less than 9, no? Till 8 we have taken. So children, totally there are 0 to 8. Means totally 9 cases are there. So this like concept is easy, but children problem is lengthy. Okay, so I will explain you few cases. So accordingly you can complete the remaining cases. Okay, so now children, case 1. Okay, case 1, R is equal to 0. So A is equal to what? 9Q plus 0, which gives you 9Q. Okay, now use division algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer. They are asking cube. Okay, in previous problem, square they asked, square of any positive integer. Here, cube of any positive integer. So children, A is equal to 9Q. So they are asking about cube. So we have to cubing on both sides. Okay, so A is equal to 3Q. Cubing on both sides. Okay, so children, A cube is equal, so this is 9Q children, not 3Q. A cube is equal to 9Q. 9 nines are 81. 81 nines are 729. 729 Q cube. 9Q whole cube is 729 Q cube. So children, here you can write A cube is equal to 9 into 81 Q cube. Okay, it means children 9 into something. 9m means 9 into something. 9m plus 1 means 9 into something plus 1. It's a 9 multiple plus 1. 9m plus 8 means 9 multiple plus 8. Okay, so here 9 into something children we can write it as 9m, where m is equal to 81 Q cube. So it's the form of 9m. Okay now children, take case 2. Okay case 2. So what is case 2? R is equal to 1. So then A is equal to what? 9Q plus 1. Now children, cubing on both sides. So this is children in the form of A plus B. Okay, so what is A plus B whole cube expansion? A plus B whole cube expansion, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Okay, so A cube is equal to, we can write 9Q plus 1 whole cube, and children we need to use A plus B whole cube expansion. Okay, A plus B whole cube expansion, that is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Okay now, so we are using this formula children. So A cube is equal to A cube means 9Q whole cube. So what is 9Q whole cube? That is 729 Q cube plus 3A square B. It's 3 into 9Q whole square into 1. 9Q whole square value, 9 square is 81, right? 81 into Q square, 81 Q square means 3 into 81 Q square into 1. So 3 into 81, 81 3s are 243. So children, 243 Q square into 1, that is 243 Q square only, plus 3AB square. Okay, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. 3 into A, 3 into 9Q is 27Q. Into B square means 1 square. 1 square is 1. Okay, so 3 9s are 27. So 27q into 1, 27q only. Okay, plus 1 cube is 1. Okay, so children, directly here I wrote the terms. Okay, so if you want, you can take additional step, 9q whole cube plus 3 into 9q whole square into 1 plus 3 into 9q into 1 square plus 1 cube. After that, you can write this, but directly I simplified here. Okay, so now see, a cube is equal. Children, from first term to third term you observe, all these are multiples of 9. So you can take 9 common, right? So 9 of 81q cube plus 27q square plus 3q close bracket plus 1. So children, 9 into something plus 1, no? It's 9 multiple plus 1. So it's in the form of 9m plus 1 where m is equal to 81q cube 27q square plus 3q. Okay, so it's the form of 9m plus 1. It's the form of 9m plus 1. Now children, case 3. Okay, now case 3. So case 3, r is equal to 2. Okay, now r is equal to 2. So children, now a is equal to what? 9q plus 2. Now cubing on both sides. COBS means children, cubing on both sides. So if we cubing on both sides, what we will get? A cube is equal. Okay children, here I will give the clear expanding. 9q whole cube. Okay, 9q whole cube plus 3a square b means 3 into 9q whole square into 2 plus 3 into 9q means 3ab square into 2 square plus 2 cube. So that is 9 cube means children, already solved 729 cube plus 3 into, okay, so children here 3 into 9q whole square means 81q square. 81 into 6. Okay, so 486. Okay, 486q square plus 3 into 9q into 2 square. Okay, so that is 2 square is what? 4. 4 3 are 12. 12 9s are 108. So 108 cube plus 2 cube is 8. So children, if you observe the first 3 terms, all these are multiples of 9. Okay, so we can take 9 common. 9 of, okay, 81q cube, okay, and 57q square, okay, plus 12q plus 8. So write 8 separately. So children, here we got 9 into something plus 8. It means 9m plus 8. Okay. So this is in the form of 9m plus 8. So where m is equal to 81q cube plus 57q square plus 12q. Okay. So children, it's the form of 9m plus 8. Okay. So children, like this, now we have to case remaining cases. We have to take remaining cases. R is equal to 3. Substitute, cubing on both sides, take 9 common. Depends on the question. And next case 5, R is equal to 4, R is equal to 5, R is equal to 6, R is equal to 7, R is equal to 8. So till R is equal to 8 we have to do. So children, this is lengthy, but concept is simple, no? Squaring on both sides. So think, take 9 common. So from these 3 we will get any one of the form, either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. So children, this is also very very important for 4 marks. Okay now. So like this we have to solve this problem. Children, now let's see problem number 5, and it is also last problem of the exercise. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is positive integer. Okay, so where n is any positive integer. So children, here we will use the Euclid division lemma or division algorithm. Okay, so let n is a positive integer. Okay, n is a positive integer and divisor is b. Okay, that is equal to 3. Okay, so divisible by 3 they are asking, no? So take b is equal to 3. So by division algorithm, a is equal to bq plus r. This is the formula where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. So this is the condition. Now children, here we are assuming n as positive integer, right? So n is equal to and b is equal to 3. N is equal to 3q plus r. 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 3. So what are the possible reminders? Possible reminders. Okay, possible reminders are 0, 1 and 2. Children, less than 3 we have to take 0, 1, 2. It may be 0 or 1 or 2. So children, there are 3 cases. So in case 1, n is equal to 0, sorry, r is equal to 0, then n is equal to 3q plus 0, that is 3q. So children, n is equal to 3q we got, no? But what they are asking us to prove? Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So first n. Okay. So n is equal to 3q, children. So what is n plus 2 is equal to, so n is equal to 3q means we can write as 3 into q. Okay, so 3 into q means, children, that is multiple of 3. It means it is divisible by 3. Okay, so therefore it's like 3 multiple, 3q. So 3 into q like 3m, it's divisible by 3. It's divisible by 3. Now n plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2. You cannot take 3 common from this. Okay, so it's not divisible by 3. Now children, n plus 4 is equal 3q, 3q plus 4. If want, you can write it as 3q plus 3 plus 1. You can take 3 common from first 2 terms. 3 into q plus 1, that's in the form of 3m plus 1, children. 3m plus 1 means that is also not divisible by 3. Exactly 3 into something. Everything must be inside of the brackets. Okay, so 3 into something plus 1, it's not divisible by 3. So you can write here, it's not divisible. It's not divisible by 3. Now children, case 1 over. Now come to case 2. So children, in case 2, what is remainder? R is equal 1. So in this case, what is n is equal? 3q plus 1. So they are asking out of n plus 2, n plus 4, only 1 is divisible by 3. So n is equal 3q plus 1. Children, it is in the form of 3 into something plus 1, 3m plus 1. Okay, 3 multiple plus 1. So it's not divisible. It's not divisible by 3. Now n plus 2 is equal 3q plus 1 plus 2. That is equal what? 3q plus 1 plus 2 is 3. You can take 3 common. 3 of q plus 1. This is in the form of 3m. So children, therefore 3 into something, no, it's divisible by 3. It's divisible by 3. Now take n plus 4 value. Okay, take n plus 4. N plus 4 is nothing but n is what? 3q plus 1 here in this case. So 3q plus 1 plus 4, that is 3q plus 5. Okay now. So children, more if you want, you can write it as 3q plus 3 plus 2, that is 3 of q plus 1 plus 2. It means it is in the form of 3m plus 2, 3 into something plus 2. It's not divisible by 3. Okay, it's not divisible. It's not divisible by 3. So children, now take the last case, r is equal to 2. Okay, so possible reminders are 0, 1 and 2, no? So take now r is equal to 2. So case 3, r is equal to 2. If you take r is equal to, what is n is equal to, children? 3q plus 2. It's in the form of 3 into something plus 2. It's not divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 3. Now children, n plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2 plus 2, 3q plus 4. You can write it as 3q plus 3 plus 1, 3 into q plus 1. It's a 3 of q plus 1 plus 1. So children, 3m plus 1, 3m plus 1 form. 3m means that is divisible by 3, but it is 3m plus 1 is there again. Okay, so 3 into something plus 1, it's not divisible by 3. Okay, it's not divisible by 3. Now children, then what? N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4, that is 3q plus 6. Happily we can take 3 common, children. 3q, 3 into q, 6 means 3 to the 6. So 3 of q plus 2 means it is in the form of 3 into something, 3m. So it's divisible by 3. So children, please see 3 cases. When in case 1 r is equal to 0, we are getting n is equal to 3q. Here n is equal to 3q only divisible by 3. Only n is divisible by 3. n plus 2 not divisible. n plus 4 not divisible. Okay, it's not divisible. When you are taking r is equal to 1, n not divisible by 3. 3q plus 1 not divisible by 3. And n plus 2, that is 3q plus 3, it is divisible by 3. And n plus 4 not divisible by 3. Means in first case and second phase, not phase children, I am sorry. In first case and second case, out of n plus 2, n plus 4, only one thing is divisible by 3. Now even in last case, when we are taking r is equal to 2, n is equal to 3q plus 2, it's not divisible by 3. n plus 2 is 3q plus 4, not divisible by 3. n plus 4 is 3q plus 6, it can be written as 3 of q plus 2, it is in the form of 3m, it is divisible by 3. Okay, so children, even this problem is important for 4 marks in public examinations. Okay, so children, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. And children, please subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends. And thank you for watching my videos. Bye.